Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Diarly app is and how it's positioned. Diarly is a private journaling and diary app designed to help users record thoughts, experiences, and personal reflections in a secure digital space. According to the official App Store descriptions, the app allows users to write journal entries, attach photos, and organize content using tags and notebooks. The same official descriptions explain that users can browse past entries through timeline or calendar views, making it easier to revisit memories from specific dates. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Information from the official listing indicates that the app includes customizable writing templates and prompts that encourage daily journaling and reflection. The platform may also allow users to track moods, analyze writing statistics, and monitor journaling habits over time. According to the official description, Diarly supports markdown formatting and synchronization across multiple devices so entries can be accessed from phones, tablets, or computers. The app may also include privacy features such as passcodes, biometric locks, and encryption designed to protect personal journal content. The developers describe Diarly as a digital journaling platform intended to combine writing tools, organization features, and privacy protections for personal diaries. This app may be useful for users who want a structured place to document daily experiences and reflections. For people interested in private journaling apps with organization and security features, this could be one possible option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.